Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face and the home screen basically. And once you see the home screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons and one of them should look like the airplane. And this is the airplane mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message airplane mode on. The icon will get highlighted by the blue color. And if you go back to watch face, you will see the airplane mode icon on the watch face, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. You will see the message airplane mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the airplane mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.